going to test what those stage 1 modifications make on the dyno. Guys, here are the dyno results. I hope you enjoyed those pulls. As you can see, my max power was 308, max torque was 309, round that up 310. And as you can see, all the runs were very consistent except for that first run, which was blowing out some carbon buildup. Overall, I'd say this is pretty average. It's not great. I think a lot of the issue here is the tune. I would expect the power to be closer to 320 with the mods I have, and the torque, same story, closer to 320, maybe even 330 on the torque. But yeah, 308. I was at least pleased that I got over 300 horsepower. If you'll recall, I have the tune from Steeda. It's just an email tune. And I wanted to point out something that the guy that ran the dyno noticed. He said that this right here is the air-fuel ratio. And he said that number, these bottom two are the best two runs, that number needs to be closer to 13.0, maybe even in the 12s. So he thought, and what that means is the higher that number is, the leaner the car is running. So he said that maybe my tune was starving the car of fuel a little bit. So yeah, these are the results. I wasn't unhappy with it. I wasn't totally thrilled. Moving forward, I think I'm gonna go with a different tune. I'm gonna go with Brent Speed. I wanted to give a shout out to Southern Outlaw Performance down here in Adel, Georgia. They did a great job. Dominique was the guy doing the pulls. Billy's the owner out there. Appreciate those guys. Next video, I'll be showing you how to limit the cam phasers. I'm going to use a kit from Liver Noise. And then after that, we'll get into the cam and spring, valve spring install. So be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.